bring out the best in your teams and take control of your future to keep your business on solid ground. Boost collaboration with an integrated PLM solution from Siemens PLM for component manufacturers. Streamline your processes thanks to pre-configured workflows that enable you to adapt quickly to changes in today's volatile market. Better manage concurrent orders and deliver prototypes and on-demand components efficiently by capturing and replicating best practices and reusing data. Ensure you are always working with the most current design. Boost collaboration between engineering and manufacturing teams to increase quality, and reduce errors by enabling teams to share and exchange data in a connected, synchronized environment. Benefit from cloud technology to drive a new level of real-time connectivity with your customers and suppliers to build trust and closer relationships. Protect your business with an out-of-the-box, scalable PLM solution that gets you up and running from day one to improve productivity. Boost collaboration to stay flexible with an integrated PLM solution from Siemens PLM for component manufacturers. Siemens.